Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Experian for credit monitoring, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Experian website by typing www.experian.com into your browser. On the home page, locate the Credit Monitoring section. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. If prompted, select the type of credit monitoring plan that suits your needs. Fill in your personal information in the required fields, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number to verify your identity for accurate credit monitoring. Create a username and password for your Experian account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click on the Submit or Continue button to proceed with your registration. You may need to answer security questions to further verify your identity. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your new Experian account using your username and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Set up credit alerts to notify you of any changes in your credit report. Review your credit report and score to understand your financial standing. Congratulations, you are now registered for credit monitoring with Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.